If you're trying to figure out where to sell your digital product, today I'm going to compare 10 different platforms so you can decide which one is best for your product. I'll break down fees, traffic, and pros and cons. Whether you're selling courses, printables, ebooks, templates, or wall art, one of these platforms is perfect for your product. And if you're new here, hi, I'm Shannon. I help people start side hustles and build passive income. I've sold over $27,000 in digital products on Etsy, published over 100 KDP books, and I've made over $36,000 in print-on-demand sales, all while working a full-time job. And my goal is to help you build your first profitable side hustle this month. And if you haven't already, hit subscribe so you don't miss my weekly side hustle updates and tutorials. Choosing the wrong platform can cost you thousands in fees, or worse, zero in sales because there's no traffic. And here's what we're going to cover today: the 10 best platforms in 2026, the exact fee breakdowns for each, which one is right for your product type, and how to maximize your profits. So let's find the perfect platform for your product. Platform number one is one that everybody's heard of. It's Etsy, and it's a marketplace giant. There's 90 million active buyers. $200 plus is the average monthly income, and it's the number one place for printables. So that means Etsy has 90 million active buyers looking for digital products. This isn't just a platform, it's a search engine for products. Look at this seller. They've made over $763,000 since they started December of 2022. They continue to make $10,000 each month, all in digital products. And that means it's passive income. But here's Etsy's fee breakdown. Listing fee is 20 cents. Transaction fee is 6.5%. Payment processing is 3% plus 25 cents. So the total fees on a $100 product would be around $10.45. It's perfect if you're selling wall art, printables, templates, and planners, but I would skip it if you want 100% of your profits or you're selling courses. Platform number two is StanStore, which is a creator's favorite. Zero transaction fees, built for creators, and one link solution. StanStore does charge you a flat $29 fee per month, but that's it. There's no transaction fees, so you keep every dollar that you make. It's perfect for social media like TikTok and Instagram, where creators want to turn their followers into customers without sending them multiple links. And here's the math. If you sell 5 products a month, StanStore already pays for itself compared to Etsy. Let's say the 5 sales were $20 a piece. That's $100. Etsy fees are $10.45. StanStore, $0. And you break even at 3 sales per month. It's perfect if you have an engaged social media following, but if you're just starting out and you have 0 followers, I would skip this one and go somewhere where they have a built-in audience. Platform number 3 is Gumroad. It's a simple setup and it has built-in discovery. So Gumroad has a free plan, but it charges 10% platform fee, a creator plan, which is 3.5% plus $10 a month, but there are 2 million plus active users. Gumroad literally pioneered the creator community, and you can go live with a product in less than 10 minutes. The magic of Gumroad's built-in discovery feature is your product gets recommended to people browsing in the platform. It's best for ebooks, courses, templates, and digital art. And this website loves educational content. I would start with the free plan, and then once you start making consistent sales, upgrade to the creator plan. Platform number 4 is TikTok. This is going to be through organic marketing. So you're going to post your content, you're going to put a link in bio, you're going to put a link in the comments, and you're going to put a link in the description. It's video first selling. There's massive viral potential and 150 million plus US users. It's perfect if you're already creating content on TikTok and you want to show off your product in video form. I would skip it if you're camera shy and you don't want to keep up with trending content. There are 2 places that you can sell digital products on Amazon. This one, which is Amazon KDP, and I have another example in number 8. So number 5, Amazon KDP, where you can sell books. You can sell medium content, low content, or high content, which is like novels or textbooks. And you can earn 35 to 70% royalties. Low content books like planners, journals, coloring books, and workbooks are thriving on Amazon KDP. Amazon handles the printing, shipping, customer service, and payments. All you do is create the content. You can create a book today and it goes live in 72 hours. And the pros are 0 upfront costs, Amazon's trust factor, and it's print on demand. And the cons are high competition and low branding control. It's best for ebooks, paperbacks, coloring books, journals, planners, and this is where I have over 100 different KDP books published. Okay, we're halfway through. We discussed 5 different platforms and we have 5 more to go. A quick heads up, I'm launching a digital product starter kit. The waitlist is in the link in the description down below. And if you haven't already, hit subscribe so you don't miss my weekly side hustle updates and tutorials. Okay, platform number 6 is WordPress and WooCommerce, which is full control, full branding, full ownership. You own your customer list, unlimited customization, and no platform fees. When you sell in WordPress, you're not renting the space. You own the entire experience. From branding to customer service to pricing strategies, every decision is yours. And here's the investment. You can buy a domain for $10 to $15. You can use GoDaddy, you can use Squarespace. You can host it for $5 to $30 a month, depending on what you need. I use Bluehost. WooCommerce, free. Payment processing is around 3%, and setup time is around 2 to 5 hours. And this is best for serious creators who are ready to build a brand, not just sell products. You'll need more technical know-how, but the long-term rewards are worth it. Platform number 7, Shopify, which is e-commerce for serious sellers. It's a powerful e-commerce platform, professional storefronts, and it's great for physical and digital product integration. Shopify is perfect for a professional, customizable online store that can scale with you. And you can sell your digital products alongside your physical products. Monthly subscription fees range from $29 to $299, depending on what features you need. Shopify is best for established businesses adding digital products, creators needing professional storefronts, businesses complementing physical products, and entrepreneurs wanting powerful tools. Shopify offers extensive app integrations. They have pretty much any tool that you would ever need. And platform number 8 is the other way to sell digital products on Amazon, which is Merch by Amazon. Merch by Amazon is a print-on-demand service through Amazon. You upload your designs, choose what products to place it on. Amazon handles the printing, the shipping, and the customer service, even the returns. And in exchange, you earn royalties for your designs every month automatically. It's perfect for anybody that wants to monetize their art without any inventory risk. And you can add your designs to things like t-shirts, hoodies, phone cases. Royalty rates range from 13 to 37%, depending on what you price it at and what product you're selling. It's perfect for anyone wanting truly passive income, artists who hate managing inventory, graphic designers, and creators with existing audiences. An application is required, and you start at tier 10, which is 10 designs, and you scale up as you make sales. And platform number 9 is Teachers Pay Teachers. Teachers Pay Teachers is a dedicated educator marketplace. There's millions of teachers actively buying. You can even have specialized educational focus. TBT is the world's largest marketplace for educators to buy and sell original educational resources. Everything from full unit plans to classroom posters. If you're a teacher or you create educational content, this platform is for you. The fee structure is free members earn 55% of sales and premium members earn 80% of sales. It's perfect for teachers, homeschool parents, educational content creators K through 12. So number 10 is more of a category. It's course platforms. These are specialized hubs for hosting courses, memberships, and coaching programs. Number 1 is Teachable. It's $39 a month, and it's best for beginners. Number 2 is Thinkific, and there is a free plan available. Number 3 is Kajabi. It's all in one, but it is $149 a month. Number 4 is Gumroad. It's the simplest. It's either 10% or $10 a month. Number 5 is School. It's community and courses, and it's $99 a month. Number 6 is StanStore, and it's 0 transactional fees, but it is $29 a month. These are best for educators, coaches, or experts who want to monetize their knowledge through online courses. I would start with Thinkific's free plan or Gumroad if you're just testing, and scale to Kajabi when you start making $5K plus per month. And here's a quick cheat sheet comparison chart so that you can see which one fits your situation. You could save this as a screenshot. It's your quick cheat sheet for choosing the right platform. So how do you actually choose? Well, here are some questions you can ask yourself. Do you have an audience already? Because that can eliminate these 3 up here. And what am I selling? Because these are the best options here. And what's my technical skill level? Because that will eliminate some sites. Most successful creators will use 2 to 3 sites simultaneously, which is what I do. I use Etsy, Shopify, WordPress, Amazon, and StanStore. You can start with one, master it, and then add another. But the more platforms you have, the greater the reach you have with your digital product. And here's another strategy that I do. I sell the same product on multiple platforms. So if I create a design for Merch by Amazon, I'll also put it on a journal. Then I'll put it in my Etsy shop. A tool that can create designs for all of those platforms is Canva, and I highly recommend investing in it. If you want to get started with Amazon KDP, I have a KDP starter kit that has templates, ebooks, tools to help you launch today. The link is in the description down below. Let me know in the comments down below what platform you want to use to get started. And if you have any questions, put them in the comments as well. I try to answer them all as fast as I can. And if you want 10 more examples of digital products that are absolutely crushing it right now, you can check out my other video featuring 10 different digital products. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.